Wow, we're here finally to show you the end result of our renovation in our area. 6 months of hard work has come to an end, and I'm going to show you how it looks now in its perfect condition. So let me show you, and I really hope you like it. So let us start from the entrance. We got a fantastic, beautiful pivot door. Which, as you know, enters this really tall hallway. We've changed the balustrade for glass, as you can see. Obviously, we changed all of the stairs, all the flooring. There was a wall here and there with doors going to the lounge and the kitchen, which we've taken out and amplified and made this really cool divider. When we walk through this side here, we got the kitchen. We built a brand new island here where people can sit around. Remember, we built this really beautiful back wall, TV wall with a stunning chimney, actually a wood burner. Really cool wooden boxes with LED lighting in it. So we created a really open plan space, though it's still closed, because obviously there's air conditioning here. It will get lost if that was all open. And I think it's an absolutely beautiful feature. Now we're getting to the area where we have 3 bedrooms now downstairs. There used to be 2 bedrooms, and we made 3 bedrooms with 3 bathrooms. And let me start with the small one right here. Completely new flooring, obviously. The shower plates here we always do with the same flooring. This bed actually used to be on the right. There used to be a closet on that side that we've changed. Now this bedroom was absolutely created from nothing, from a little bit of the other bedroom closet area and the bathroom of the other bedroom. Here, this was already part of the bathroom of the other bedroom, which we've taken. It was huge. Because this was, I think it was classified initially also as a master bedroom. As you can see, it's pretty big. We did here our own, let's say, headboard design. Completely made of natural oak. The wardrobe used to be on that side, has changed to this side. Lots of space. And a beautiful bathroom, which is more than enough for this ensuite now. This house does have a guest toilet. As you can see, very big one. And we have a laundry with electricals in here. It has its own private patio. And now for the most beautiful part, obviously the master bedroom, going all the way up. These are really cool niches. We found some really beautiful downlights. So put some art in there. So we used to have a really small room here, very small, with just a little bunk bed. So we created here, let's say, the walk-in wardrobe, which is quite big. And then which was the wardrobe on this side, that's completely gone. Here we created a massive masterpiece of wood, which is a desk and also a headboard. Again, the bed used to be on that side, facing this way, but now it faces the right way, which is obviously where the sun comes up. We took out a piece of wall there, made it a cool glass divider where we have the bathroom. Everything you see, everything is made to measure. Yeah, that's important. Nothing gets purchased, it all gets made. Again, some cool dividers for which is the bath area. We have electrical blinds here, obviously LED lighting, some really cool spotlights in the end. The side of this bathroom has not changed really. It did have a huge wall here with the shower in this end, and there was where the accent bath is now was a little jacuzzi bath. Very old fashioned. So there you go. Let me go and show you the outside. So here we're on the outside. This is actually the courtyard, a sort of a patio area, because this house has actually got two outside areas to play with. We kept this very rustic, as the client wishes. We did put a really cool pergola here. We had all the provisions to put a barbecue there with an island and everything. So all the water supplies, electricity is there. What we did do here was placed a lamp in the floor because we could put a really big pot in here which then lights up. So this is a sort of a cool afternoon sitting area, and then we go through the lounge into what is the main outside area. So now we're outside. As you can see, we've extended the terrace here, made a completely new pool. A shower with actually the same tiles as the pool. We've retiled the whole pool. We redesigned the whole pool because it had a round entrance there with the round steps. We made a square, we made a little platform here. And obviously it changed the color, which was really beautiful. Obviously the landscaping has been done. And now you can see the end result from the outside. We kept the round shape of the terrace. Obviously we increased the size of the windows, the sliding doors. They're much higher on this side, which creates much more light inside. So there you go, the grand tour of the end result. I hope you liked it. Now we're waiting for the clients to arrive today. It's always very exciting to show the client for the first time the end result. I hope they like it. I'm sure they will. We've done our best, so what more can you ask? For us, I hope to see you in the next project. I will keep you posted, and I'll see you soon.